Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Today's video will be a little DIY project, a spray paint project. So if you want to see how I achieve this, stick around. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms and do not forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'll be using this gold spray. I got this gold spray for 800 Naira, and I got this plastic thing from where they sell bouquet, where they sell bridal things and fake flowers. And I'll be using this sellotape to just divide it. I have these old picture frames at home. They're not really useful at home, so I just thought, why not just spray paint the frames and just put something else inside. So I already started off with spray painting. I would advise you do this outside, but because I wanted to film the process, that's why I did it inside. I later went outside though, because the smell is very bad for your health, and I would advise you use gloves. I don't know why I forgot to use gloves here. I later used gloves because it didn't stain my hand, and I noticed it was dripping down. I believe you should stretch your hand, like it should be very far from your hand, should be far, the spray can should be far from the plastic, so that it will not have that excess drip and whatever. So yeah. Out of the two spray, this particular one is actually gold before, but I just spray painted it again so that it would shine more. And I have this bottle. I think I got this bottle from, is it soya oil drink? I say soya oil, oh my god. I got this bottle from soya milk drink. Yeah, so those empty bottles in your environment or in your house can be spray painted, and you can use them for decor. Yeah, this is the other frame. I actually spray painted this one twice. I did it again outside because the initial color was red, so it was hard getting the gold to look as intense as I wanted it to be. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just showing the rest of the bottles. I actually spray painted this one's outside, and that silver thing you actually have to remove it while spray painting. So I have 4 big bottles that I would spray paint outside. Then I wrote I with the tape. Then now I'm writing ZIE, so it's more like I'm spelling my name, IZIE. So I'm just showing the parts where I did Z. I'm just trimming the edge so that it will look very, very neat. So I'm done with the whole write-up, IZIE. So yeah, and I'll be using this thing, I don't know what it's called, foam. Yeah, foam. I got it from electrical appliance that we had at home. So I just cut a part and I use a grater to just grate this, and I'll be speeding this up. Yeah, just grate enough. I had to kneel down. So you need a broom, and I'm using Evo-Stik gum or Evo-Stik glue with a broomstick, and you just roll it. So that is it. That is how you get this. And this is the next day. Everything is all dried. So I tried removing the sellotape and I noticed it wasn't looking good at all. I think the spray ended up, slipping through the sellotape. So I'd advise you go over it like twice or 3 times, because I just sellotaped it once, and that's why the spray paint dripped down. So I had to leave it like that. But for this bottle, I'm removing the sellotape because, as you can see, I sellotaped this one more than once. So still, yet it wasn't looking really neat, but that's the fun part about DIY projects. It's not supposed to be perfect. So this is the eye that I wrote. As you can see, I'm trying to peel out the area where I feel is not neat enough, or I ended up leaving it like that because we're not going for perfection, we're just going for something nice. The spray paint was not enough, and my house is really far from where I can get this, so we had this white paint at home. I just used the white paint for the other 3 big bottles. Then I got these flowers from flower shop, the same place I got the plastic thing for the plastic flower vase. So I cut it into 2. I got this flower for I think 400 or 500 naira, and I cut it into 2. For the grated foam board, I just put inside the big bottles. And next I'll be going for the frame. I printed this out online. You just type anything you want and just make sure you put wallpaper size. So this particular sunflower picture, I typed sunflower picture wallpaper size, and I printed it out with a colored printer. And yeah, I'm just folding the 2 sides, and I'll be placing the glass on it. So this is the next one. I printed out these 2 gold love. One was not going to be enough, so I printed a big one and a small one. So I'm just trimming the side, trim out the excess. So this is what it looks like when I've trimmed both. And yeah, I'm gonna put the frame right about now. And this is what it looks like. How cute is it? This is the last frame. This one, the glass has already broken, so I printed out this lips picture. I wanted to use the two. I printed out two, but wasn't looking fine, so I decided to go with just one and keep the other one in case this one gets stained. I can actually replace it since it doesn't have a glass anymore. And I don't know if they sell glass without frame. I don't want to go through all that stress, so I'm just folding it and then putting it in neatly. You have to be really careful at this point because, as you can see, the down part was actually getting squeezed, but I had to just finesse it, and I had to fold it in again. Yeah. So this is just the last part of everything. And we have our lips. That is the extra one. So here is what it looks like. I just put them in different places. You know, you can arrange it the way you like. This wooden shelf was actually made by a carpenter. I think it cost 10,000 or 15,000. I can't really remember the price. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. Bye.